And what's going on, guys? Today we are doing a cabin filter in a 2017 Kia Sorento. It's going to be located behind the glove box, so we're going to drop this glove box. First step is going to be to disconnect the damper here. Just grab this bar, disconnect it like so. Glove box stoppers, turn counterclockwise, and then you can pull them out. There's two of them. And then your glove box will lower down.
Cabin filter is located in this compartment here. Squeeze these tabs together like this, release the right side, same thing on the left side, and you can pull the door off. You can pull the filter out. I noticed that this filter here is a factory Hyundai filter. It says airflow with the direction pointed down. So when we get our new aftermarket filter that I got on Amazon, that the airflow is down, okay? And if you need to get one of these filters and you want to get an Amazon one, like I have here, which is just as good as the factory, if not better, check the description box, and there's a link there where you can get one for your Kia Sorento. Now we're just going to get the door, and the door is kind of tricky to put back on. You kind of have to lift up the filter a little bit, which is kind of hard to do with one hand. Might have to put the phone down for a second. Alright, just had to push the filter all the way back. That's what my problem was. And then the door. And stick it back on here. Close the glove box, use the damper, hold it up, and stick your glove box stoppers back in. Stick these back in here like this. Okay, turn them clockwise. Okay, just do both sides and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. If you hit the like button, leave me a comment, be good, and hope to see you again in another Kia video.